Hello there and welcome to another video from Change Tips and Tools, and it's me, Phil, the Brummie that hails from Birmingham, England, and I'm here today with another extract from the recent live stream where I showed you how to manage multiple project files in one place and linking them all to a resource pool. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you copy custom fields you created in one project file to another. So, without further ado, let's do this. That now all looks great. So now I need to identify, using those custom columns, I need to identify my program level, my project name and milestone level for that program. So let's just put this to outline level 1, build a computer. And let's do outline level 2 actually, so I can see the milestone there. Let's do right click and do insert and do, remember it was text 1. But wait a minute, I can't see the customization in this project file. So if you remember before in the previous, in the project files, is that we did it for computer A, we use it as a template, and then so it would always exist. So how do you get customized columns that you've created in a project file, one project file, into another? Well, let me show you. So let me just do escape there. So I'm going to do, and again, I'm just going to keep hitting save and say yes to all here. And I'm going to go File, Info, and I'm going to use the organizer here. And I'm going to select Organizer. I'm going to go to the Fields tab, and I'm going to select one of the open project files. So when you open up the IPP, you're opening all the individual project files. So if I select, the global.mpt file, in short, is your base template that's on your local machine. Yeah, we're not going to change that. We're going to use computer A, and there you can see the 2 custom columns. So I'm just going to select both of those and then copy that across to our IPP file here and do copy. And I'm going to close that down. Let's go back. And now when I do right click and do insert and do T, there's our custom column now. So I'm going to do that, again shrink it. Again right click on task name, do insert column, do N for number, and there's our milestone level. Again shrink that down. So this is going to be my build a computer level. This is going to be build a computer level. That there is going to be a program level milestone, and these are all related to our project. So I'm going to do project A, project B, project C, and then finally project D. Done. And then I'm going to hit save. And that is where I'm going to end the video for today. Now, if you want to see the full live stream, then there's a link in the description. Please check it out. You should learn lots about integrated program plans and resource pools using MS Project without the need of a PPM tool. And also, remember to click that like, subscribe, and smash that notifications button for future content. And as always, I wish you an absolutely wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Please take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video from Change Tips and Tools. Bye bye now.